Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your followers from others in Instagram. So if you don't want other people to have a look at your followers, then what you can do is simply make your Instagram account private. So let's see how to do this. So for example, if you want to do this, you need to go to your profiles tab at the bottom, and then once you are in your profile, you need to click on these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of your screen. So once you have done that, you will be landed on the settings and activity tab right here, and then you may scroll down and you can see this option which says account privacy. So simply click on this account privacy and choose this private account option. So enable this toggle and it will ask you for a confirmation. So simply click on this switch to private button and just wait for it to happen, and here you can see that the account is now successfully set to a private account. So as you can see and read from here, that when your account is public, your profile and posts can be seen by anyone on or off Instagram, and when they are private, only the followers that you approve can see what you share, including your photos or also your followers and following lists. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.